So efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right things. It's said by the Peter Drucker. So hello everyone. My name is Bharat Sharma, founder of Steady Diagnostic Solutions and Hpdc Parshala. Today we are talking about the revolutionary advancement in thermal management for high pressure die casting. As you can see on your screens, it's a GIFON advanced temperature control units, and this technology is setting a new standard in our industry, particularly in high pressure die casting. So making precious temperature control efficiency and maintenance smarter and more streamlined. For those new here, don't forget to check my YouTube channel Hpdc Patshala and visit our website www.hpdcpatshala.com for in-depth resources on Hpdc technology and membership option for advanced learning. So let's explore how the GIFON temperature control unit address critical issue in the die casting. So a conventional die casting temperature control system often struggle with the maintaining consistent thermal condition across different mold section. So GIFON's advanced unit overcome this by using targeted heat management rather than applying a single temperature to the entire mold. So this unit manage the heat circuit by the circuit, allowing for a synchronized cooling exactly where it is needed. So this precious control optimize casting quality and reduce wear, extending die life. So it's a crucial benefit in high pressure die casting. And imagine the reduction in quality issue when each zone in the die maintain a ideal temperature. So this approach address localized overheating or cooling and minimizing distortion or warpage kind of problem. So one of the standout feature of GIFON's unit is the impact on energy saving by eliminating the need to heat the control fluid during regular production. So this unit can achieve up to 80% energy reduction. So this efficiency not only brings down the operating cost but also significantly reduce the environmental footprint of die casting process, which is a critical improvement given by today's sustainability demands. So think about the saving across a typical production year, especially as an energy cost fluctuate. So reducing energy consumption by 80% in an impressive feat, translating to the more sustainable production without compromising performance. So with the determined thermoregulation across the die zone, so GIFON unit cut down the lubrication cycles, which alone boost productivity by 12% to the 14%. But the benefit don't stop here. Reduced lubrication means less wear and tear on die, fewer maintenance stop, and lower scrap rate, all of which contribute to the uninterrupted production and higher yield. So this productive boost doesn't just improve efficiency, it frees up the production lines, allowing companies to handle larger order or meet tighter deadlines with the confidence. And the last feature, you can say, one of the most innovative aspect of the GIFON unit is their built-in artificial intelligence for the predictive maintenance. Real-time monitoring track crucial components like heat exchanger, filter pumps, and heating element, giving operators alert before a part fails. So this proactive approach minimizes the unexpected downtime, allowing teams to fix issue before they disrupt production. So in an industry where unexpected breakdown lead to the costly delay, predictive maintenance transform how we manage machine health. So reduced downtime ensures smoother production, smoother operation, a vital factor of maintaining production schedule and reducing repair costs. So in conclusion, you can say HPDC by GIFON advanced temperature control unit represent a significant step forward in high pressure die casting technology by offering targeted heat management, superior energy efficiency, enhanced productivity, and AI driven predictive maintenance. So these units address some of the industry core challenges and help streamline operation for die casting worldwide. So thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe the HPDC Patshala on YouTube for more insight on cutting edge die casting technology, and visit www.hpdcpatshala.com to explore our membership option, gain access to deep learning resources, and start solving real world HPDC problem with our exclusive tool and software. So let's work together to build a real HPDC Pathshala, where we can offer hands-on class R&D on new alloys, innovative process control, and developed cost-effective equipments like vacuum and jet cooling system. So this is Bharat Sharma signing off. Keep learning, keep innovating, and remember, keep learning till death. See you in the next video. Goodbye.